sanibonani, beautiful people. This is a very quick video just to let you know that somebody is out there, not just one person. So some people are out there trying to get your money out of you and pretending to be me. They are using my name to tell people that they have an investment company. They can help them to make money quick. I do not know anything about investment. If I knew how to make money and get rich quick, believe you me, I will enrich myself, then share with you. I'll be rich me first, then I would share with you. And do not fall for the scams. Do not fall for anyone who tells you to send them money and they're going to double it, they're going to triple it. That is a scam. That is a lie. I do not have any account on any social media. That is number one, an investment account. I have no idea how to do all those trading things. I am not a trader. So please do not fall for the scams. It is not me. This is one of the people that is doing exactly the same. They're using my name, they're using my photos. If you get on any profile and you are confused whether this is mine or not, just look for live videos. I always do live videos on my profile because anyone can download the photos, anyone can download the videos that we pre-record and just open a fake account, but nobody can fake me doing a live unless I have a twin somewhere that I do not know of, and it would have to be a very identical twin. But I do not know anything about trading. Secondly, there is also someone who is telling people that they are recruiting people to get them jobs, get them work overseas. I have nothing to do with that. I do not know anything about that. I do not have any recruitment company that is taking people overseas. I'm getting inboxes of people who have paid people money and now they want their money. The accounts have been closed and now they're coming to my account. I'm like, did you even communicate with me? And obviously those people are pretending to be me. Never give anybody any amount of money. If you do not know where they live, you don't transact money just online. Like, ask to meet them. Ask to meet me in person. If I want money from you, or at least now we have technology, let's do a video call. Let's do a video call and see who you are giving your money to. But all this nonsense is not me. I do not know how to trade. I do not have any recruitment agency. Sometimes I come on here and share ideas, but I will verbally share. You will see my face, you will hear my voice, share what I know when it comes to traveling and going, like for example, getting work abroad, applying for visas, which countries to go to without needing a visa. But I have never had a recruitment agency. I've never requested or required money from anyone in order to help them. If I have something I can help you with, it will be 100% free. And I do not know anything about trading. Guys, let us avoid these get rich quick schemes because they are scams. You will be left broke. And like, if there is anyone whose richness I want, that I'm waiting for them to open a platform, let it be Motsepe. Me, myself, I am trying. I'm just like you. I am trying, I'm just hustling every day. And now I'm going to be teaching you how to make millions when I haven't made millions myself. It's not me, and please, let's use our brains. Thank you, I love you, and I'm very sorry to those who have been scammed, to those who have lost their money. I know it's hard times, there are no jobs, people are desperate to just make a living, but there is no way anybody is going to tell you how to get rich quick, how to make money. Like, don't they have friends? Don't they have family? Don't they have people that they know who are close to them? Why are they going to come and want to make you as a stranger? Just, you, come, I'll double your money, I'll triple your money. It just doesn't make sense. And rich people don't have time for social media. Real rich people, unless they are a scam themselves and they know they're getting money in illegitimate way. But rich businessmen do not have time. Like real business people who are really making money do not have time to be sitting on social media every day. If I had like a business where I was making money every day, I'll be concentrating on making sure I'm running my business, I'm delegating the right people for the right positions. I would not have time to be here recruiting you, telling you how to make your money. Even if I had made like millions and millions and billions, I'll be somewhere on an island enjoying my money. I wouldn't have time to be, now I'm a billionaire, I'm going to make you a billionaire. That's a scam, guys. It is a scam, and I am so sorry to everyone that has been scammed. And yeah, let us just share this video. Tell everyone you know it is not me. Thank you. Love you.